you don't feel comfortable roller skating around people because you don't know these 3 roller skating fundamentals: how to get up, how to turn around, and how to stop. You need to learn this before you get out into the public and roller skate with other people, because if you don't know how to do these things, you can get hurt or you can hurt somebody else. That's not fun. Hi, I'm Karen. I'm a roller skating performer here in New York City. I also perform with my roller skating crew, the Liberty Girls. We perform all over the city and travel all over the globe. Learning by yourself is not going to get you where you want to be. Roller skating out with other people, connecting with other people, learning new moves and tricks, and ultimately finding your roller skate flow. And look, I know it's difficult to learn by yourself, but you're not learning alone anymore. You're learning with me. We're learning together. Now we're going to be learning 3 ways to get up, 3 ways to turn, and 3 ways to stop. At least 1 hour, 3 times a week, you should be practicing these fundamentals. So here are the 3 ways to get up. The first method is the crawl. You're going to place both hands on the floor to stabilize yourself. Put one leg up at a time and use your fingers to stabilize before standing all the way up. Next method is going to be using your toe stop. You're going to start with all fours and your fingers placed on the ground to stabilize yourself. One foot flat on the ground. The other foot will be on the jam plug or toe stop, which you will be sitting on top of. Then you're going to put your hands on your thighs and squat straight up. The last method is the squat and stand. If you're starting off flat on your butt, you're going to want to bring your heels towards you, putting your hands out in front of you, and squatting straight up. Here are your 3 ways to turn. This method is called the C-turn. You're going to place one foot in front of you and swing it behind you almost in a C-like formation. And then the opposite foot follows, pivoting to the direction you're turning to. This method is the open-close book. You're going to start off with both feet facing one direction and open up your hips as if opening a book, then bringing the other foot around to close the book. To maintain stability, make sure to use your arms and look in the direction you're going. The next method is a pivot. You're going to start by walking forward with your feet staggered. The front foot will turn as well as the back foot, but now the back foot is going to be in front. When turning in your pivot, your weight should be on your toes and your knees should be bent. You want a sharp turn and a sharp stop. These are your 3 ways to stop. Forward and backward bubbles. Now with bubbles, you want to start off by pivoting your feet out as you push your feet and then pivoting them in when you bring them together. You're using your abductor muscles to pull in and your thigh muscles to push out. The next method is a T-stop. You're going to start by having your front foot facing forward and your back foot perpendicular to the front in a T formation. You're going to kick off with your front foot and use your back foot hovering over the ground just slightly to help you stop. You want to make sure your knees are bent for this and tense your thigh muscles to protect your knees. The last method is called the hockey stop. You're going to start by moving forward with both legs and pivoting your entire body to one side to stop yourself. Your knees are going to bend. The motion of your feet turning quickly is what helps you stop. Make sure that your knees are bent for this one. And that's it. Now you don't need to feel uncomfortable anymore because you know how to get up, you know how to turn, transition, and you know how to stop. You're finally one of us. Now come over to the dark side. And patience, my friends. You are laying down the building blocks of fundamentals towards your roller skating journey. It is not going to happen overnight. Make sure to practice. Please remember to take it one day at a time, and you will soon become a pro roller skater just like the rest of us. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I will be posting more videos on roller skating fundamentals, moves, tricks, and overall roller skating lifestyle. I hope to see you next time. Bye. That was a good one.